Hi everybody, this is Module 7, Lesson 17. The shapes below are made up of rectangles. Label the unknown side links. Then write and solve an equation to find the perimeter of each. The first one's pretty straightforward. The first one has all the numbers there. So we just have to add them all together. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. What is it called when we have a 6-sided shape? A hexagon. Is this a regular hexagon or an irregular hexagon? This one is an irregular hexagon because all sides are not equal. All right, so I'm going to circle them as I'm writing them so I know that I'm not leaving anything out. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7. All right. So now I'm going to add these together. And when I add these together, I'm going to think, how can I group these so I can make it easier to mentally add? 6 and 4 make 10. So I'm going to group those together. 3 and 7 also make 10. So I'm going to group those together. And then I have 4 and 2 make 6. 10 and 10 make 20. 20 and 6 give me a sum of 26. And it was centimeters. All right. If y'all hear Kenzie crying in the background, don't worry, she's not by herself. She's having a meltdown over candy. Okay. She's spoiled. Okay, next. This one was tricky because it doesn't have this one and it doesn't have this one. Okay, so I'm going to pretend like there's a whole rectangle here. I'm going to do some dotted lines. What do I know about rectangles? This side is going to equal this side. So if this is 7, and I already have 4, what can I add to 4 to get to 7? 3. So I'm just going to bring that up here. This is 3. So this gives me 7, and that's also 7. This is going to equal this. So if this is 9, how can I get to 9 over here? I already have 2. So 2 plus what gives me 9? 7. So that must be 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides too. So this is also a hexagon, an irregular hexagon. 7 plus 9. Let me check them off since I already circled these. Plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. All right, how can I add these together to make it easier? 7 and 3 make 10. Let's do 4 and or let's do 4 and 2. Why not? Make 6. Let's do 9 and 7 make 16. All right, so 10 and 6 make 16. So now I have 16 and 16. 6 and 6 make 12. 3 10s make 3 10s. So 32 meters. And you could have added them any way you want to. I'm just grouping them the way that I want. But you don't have to group it the same way as me. Number 3. This one's similar to the last one. It's just different numbers. They're missing the same 2 side links. This one and this one. That's another hexagon. All right, so if this is 7, I'm going to just draw this in. Then this is also needs to be 7, but I already have a 1 here. What can I add to 1 to get to 7? 6. So this must be 6. All right, let's look at the top. If this is 6, this whole thing must be 6. But this is 4. I already have 4. So what can I add to 4 to get to 6? 2. So this must be 2. All right, so now I'm going to add them all together. 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7. All right, let's see how I want to group these. Let's do 6 and 6, 12. 2 and 1 make 3, and 3 and 7 make 10. And then I have 4. 12 and 10 make 22. 22 plus 4 gives me 26. All right. The next one was super tricky. I'm missing this side length and I'm missing this one. Let me fill this in. I have these two, 5 and 4. These two right here give me 9. So I need 9 over here. This and this is going to give me 9. When I look at this, I'm trying to think what two numbers can give me 9. If I'm looking at the lengths, this is 5. This is longer than 5. So I know it's going to be either a 6 or a 7 or 8 or a 9. But these two have to add together to get 9. So it can't be 9. If I look at this is shorter than this. So this got to be smaller than a 4. So it could be a 3, it could be a 2, it could be a 1. So really it could be lots of different numbers here. But I'm going to do 6 because this is longer, just a little bit longer than 5. What can I add to 6 to get to 9? 3. So like if you did 7 and 2, that would have been okay also. That also gives you 9, or 8 and 1. But really I would either done 6 and 3 or 7 and 2. Those both give you 9 because of the way that the links look. This is just a little bit longer than 5. So it looks more like 6. All right. So I have 7. Let me move my thing down. Plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. All right, let's see. How can I add these together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon, an irregular octagon. Let's do 7 and 3. There's my 10. 6 and 4. There's another 10. 5 and 5. There's another 10. 8 and 3. It's 11. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Oh, you can't see me. 30 plus 11 is 41. So 41 inches. So again, I'm just looking for ways to easily add these together. I'm not trying to do 7 and then 6 and then another 5 and then another 3. I'm trying to get to 10s. 10s are super easy to add by and multiply by. All right, the last one. Giuseppe has a pool shaped like the picture below. What's the perimeter of the pool? Okay, so I'm missing this side length and I'm missing this one. Okay, so this one wasn't that bad. If this is 7, this whole thing, let me just draw this in, needs to be 7 too. What can I add to 4 to get to 7? 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. I'm just bringing this down. This just missing piece is down here. All right. Sorry, Tato. Shh. Okay. This whole thing is 4. So I'm basically just bringing this over here. 2 plus what's going to give me 4? 2. 2 and 2. See how this whole thing's 4? This whole thing's 4. This whole thing makes 7. This whole thing makes 7. All right, so I have 4 plus the 2 plus the 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So here's another hexagon. All right, let's see how I can add these. 3 and 7, 10. Here's my 10. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 4, 8. All right, 10 and 8, 18. Try to get rid of my hardest number first. 18 and 4, 22. So 22 meters. So if you need more practice with these, parents, draw out some more shapes with them that look just like this and just make the numbers different and see if they can recreate it. Because I foresee most students are going to need more help with these ones with the missing pieces. In fourth grade, it's going to be even more complicated. So we got to get this down before you move on. So again, like go back to these former problems and just draw them out again and just change the numbers. And kids, you can do that yourself. You don't have to have your parents do it. Draw out the same shape, change the numbers, see can you do it again, and get your parent to check. Or you can message me and I'll tell you if you're right or not. So that's it for Module 7, Lesson 17.